name's Robin. I go by they, them. And today I'll be showing you how to play and install 5D Diplomacy with multiverse time travel. Um, this just kind of spilled over, so I guess shout out to King of the Castle. Anyways, you want to make sure you uh, install Docker and you want to install GitHub Desktop as well as Git, just in case. I'll try to link all the necessary downloads in the description. First thing you want to do is you want to go to the GitHub link right here. You want to go to the code. You want to copy to clipboard. All right. You want to go to GitHub Desktop. You want to clone a repository from the internet. You want to go to URL, and so initially this is just going to um try to save it to your OneDrive. You don't really want to do that. What you really want to do is you want to choose here. You want to go to your this PC. You want to go to C drive. You want to go to uh, users, wherever that is, and you want to actually create a new folder. You can name it whatever you want. I named it 5D. Shorter the better, in my opinion. Anyways, I have already installed this, but I am going to go ahead and quickly delete it just so that I can show you every step of the way. So we want to select this folder. And not only do I delete it to show you all this stuff away, but because for some reason it won't let you clone repository in a non-empty file. So that's why we had to do all the new folder stuff. Anyways, we want to paste our repository that we did, and we just want to clone. Now this is going to take a bit. It's not going to take too long. Right. Now, once you have that downloaded, you want to go to the file that you downloaded. You want to open it. You want to go to the README file. It should open up this thing right here. You want to scroll all the way down. Actually, first thing you want to do is you want to fix the typo in contributing, because it originally said this. That's right. It's been like that for multiple versions. I don't know how it lasted this long. You don't really have to fix the typo. It just bothers me personally. Okay, and you know, there is, before we begin, there is one more important thing that I do need to mention. Um, Here it is. If you have design questions or suggestions, please don't use the issue board. Instead, use the 5D Diplomacy Discord server and go to this Discord link here. This also means don't ask me any questions in the comments if you have a problem. I cannot help you. I don't know anything. Go to these people. They'll help you. Not me. I don't know anything. Anywho, you want want to scroll all the way down and look at the installation via Docker. If you really can't, if you can't, install Docker, um, or you just can't get this version running, I'm sorry, I won't be covering this part. This part's a bit more error prone, and I couldn't even get it working through this. So, really just go to the Discord people, try to figure it out. And if it can't work out for you, then try it this way and try to work with the Discord people. Okay. Anyways, we want to uh, boot up Docker now. Docker is doing that pesky little thing. I'll take care of it. Okay, it's booting up. What I what I mean by a pesky thing is uh, for some reason when you close Docker, it doesn't really close all the way, and you can't like reopen it unless you go to like Task Manager and end the task of all of its instances and stuff like that. So, alrighty. Go to containers. Right? It'll actually open up two containers. Anyways, we want to go to the terminal, and we want to go cd, whatever you named your file, backslash, copy the file name, paste it. Enter, and then all you need to do now is just copy this, paste this, and that'll. This might take longer for you, but it, it it'll eventually load. We want to copy, we want to paste, we want to enter, and we're going to have to be waiting a while. So I am actually going to talk about uh, King of the Castle since I shouted it out, and also because I'm neurodivergent like that. So King of the Castle is also kind of a semi-cooperative type game where technically on a team, but everyone has it out for themselves, and they will betray each other at a moment's notice. It's a very social game. It's got like Twitch integration. Only one person needs to buy it, despite it being a multiplayer game, because like person who is the king is the person who bought the game, and you only need one king to play the game. Anyways, it'll have like a website you can go to. It also has Twitch integration. Your Twitch chat can play. But yeah, it is not a strategy game in the sense of like um, diplomacy or chess or 5v chess or 5v diplomacy. It is a social uh, narrative game, uh, but as boring as that might sound, it does have like choices in it that may benefit you or may harm you. There is like strategy to it, or more in like a social sense, like oh, I, this will increase my treasury, or it will decrease stability, or something like that. It's a really really fun game. Yeah, and it says it's running, but it's not done yet because we still have to uh, wait for this to finish running. Because if you don't, you will get errors if you try to run it. So, anyways, about King of the Castle is yeah, only one person needs to buy it, and if you want to like choose which faction you become a part of, all you really need to do is link your Steam account when you are going to the website, and yeah, so it's three people against the king, unless you're doing like a twitching. Oh, one moment. Well, got done in the time by the time I was back, so I guess I don't get to tell you about the King of the Castle, or at least more of it. Anyways, you click the link, it'll pop up. Uh, you can do a new game, sandbox, loose adjacencies, create, and now you can stream the game and play it with your friends. You can interact and whatever. So, yeah, that is how you do it. That is how you install. Uh, there is a couple more things that I need to show you. I forgot that you could only see this screen. Um, right. Ah, no, you can figure it out based off of what I said. Uh, there is one more thing that I need to address. Um, uh, well, one, you just like stop it and then play it, and then you have to wait, and then you can click the link again. But there is another thing for now. Um, you'll need to copy this code. Well, it yeah, like text says, if you ever update the code manually or via a pull from this repository, you'll need to run docker compose down rmi local, which I will do. And in order to do a pull, you just do git pull, which is why you need git, possibly. I don't know. I had git for this, and I don't know if GitHub gives you git commands or not. Anyways, you do git pull. It's already the date, of course it is. Then you run the above commands again. like so. And it'll take a lot less longer. It'll just have to do the startup thing again. Um, yeah. Um, also King of the Castle is cheap too. So, you know, uh, I'm just thinking if there's anything else I need to cover. Yes, but again, it's very important that you wait until the thing says it's done. Uh, Read is complete. This is an information. No, you okay, yeah, yeah. And you didn't click on the site.